With a focus on entrepreneurship and innovation, every student in the Grand Challenge Scholars Program is required, both in the College of Engineering and in the College of Arts and Sciences, to take our Entrepreneurial Engineering Design Studio. This is a course that was made possible through the generous support of the Kern Family Foundation. And that foundation, their vision is to transform engineering education to foster this entrepreneurial mindset in their students, in our undergraduates. So it's the perfect match for this Grand Challenge Scholars Program.
The Grand Challenge Program is 14 Grand Challenges that are really devastating things that could affect the Earth. And this is going on all over the world where students, college students, as well as employers, and folks in the government sector are looking at major issues like solar, nitrogen, carbon, AI, virtual reality, health informatics.
We were actually implementing Grand Challenges starting freshman year to our engineering students. We have Fundamentals of Engineering Design, freshman year for all engineers. And as a part of that course, we were actually assigning them Grand Challenges, and they were working as teams on those challenges. So even before we started to implementing the Scholars Program, we were already working the students on the Grand Challenges.
So I researched into developing a new football helmet because CTE is a brain disease caused by repetitive hits to the head, and a lot of college and professional players end up with this disease because they take so many blows to the head. So I want to look into developing a better football helmet.
I'm using VR as a kind of tool to help people visualize and look into subjects with a different perspective, which can really help visual learners and people that like to use their hands to help them learn better, as well as it could be used as kind of a tutor outside of class, as well as just something kind of more fun rather than just sitting at a boring lecture.
I chose to advance personalized learning in math by splitting up students based on what type of learning they like to do and their learning style to really enhance and get that individualized feeling within math.
So for my Grand Challenge project, I wanted to study like how colors and dogs affect the atmosphere and how we can have the atmosphere influence hospitals to create a cost-efficient way to help make people become better.
I picked enhancing virtual reality, and I decided to enhance virtual reality through the sense of touch, specifically the body's sense of touch, which is called haptic perception. So for my project, I want to eventually develop like a mechanical glove that can be used as a substitute for a virtual reality handset that will add a third sense to the virtual reality and make the experience more realistic.
One of the challenges for Lawrence Tech students, of course, is that Lawrence Tech is known primarily as an engineering university, and that's its 80-year history. But of course, we have a much more diverse set of offerings than just engineering. So one of the challenges, if you're coming here for a field other than engineering, is how can you maximize that credential? What is the value to you of coming as a computer coder, as a psychologist, as a potential nursing student? What is the advantage to you to attend an engineering university?
Students in College of Engineering will be working together with arts and sciences, especially liberal arts students, so that they will get to see how people think differently, how they can work together as teams, and how they can tackle actually real-life global world problems.
This environment has enabled me to reach out to other people and see like-minded people, and it's definitely added to my college experience, and I'm definitely glad that I chose Lawrence Tech.
I think the freshman research program was great for me because it helped me advance my learning of something that I was personally interested in, and I could research something that I personally wanted to do. And I also got great support and help from my staff, or the staff at LTU, so it was a good experience.
Most other places don't really do this stuff until you're a senior, so I feel that as a part of a research project my freshman year, it gives me good experience for my upcoming senior thesis.
It's something that kind of jump starts each student to see what they can really do.
It forces you to find an idea you're passionate about and research about that idea.
The people here really care about you and want to see you succeed, so it's really cool to have that support.
I would say what is most unique about Lawrence Tech's program is precisely our emphasis on integrating arts and science majors into this primarily engineering-focused program. And so I've received a lot of enthusiasm and excited responses from faculty and researchers across the country at our model of bringing in a diverse array of majors to collaborate in interdisciplinary settings. So there's a lot of buzz around our program nationally right now, and I think it's a real opportunity for Lawrence Tech students.